To the repair shop, where beloved audio equipment is brought back to life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of speaker repair. Speakers, the heart of any sound system, can suffer damage from various sources: accidental drops, overexertion, or the passage of time. But before you consider replacing them, let's explore how these sonic workhorses are mended. The journey of a damaged speaker begins with a thorough diagnosis. Our technicians carefully examine the unit, listening for anomalies and inspecting for physical damage. Common issues include a torn speaker cone, a voice coil that has become detached or burned, or problems with the suspension or surround. Sometimes the issue might be less visible, residing within the crossover network or input terminals. Let's tackle the speaker cone. This flexible diaphragm is crucial for producing sound. If it's torn, a skilled technician can often repair it, using specialized adhesives and reinforcing materials applied to maintain the cone's integrity and acoustic properties. For severe damage, a complete cone replacement might be necessary. This involves carefully removing the old cone, cleaning the mounting surface, and precisely fitting a new matched cone. The voice coil, which interacts with the magnetic field to move the cone, is another common area of concern. If the voice coil is damaged or misaligned, it needs to be expertly recentered or replaced. This is a delicate operation requiring immense precision to ensure the coil moves freely within the magnetic gap, without rubbing, which would cause distortion. The suspension system, comprising the surround and spider, controls the cone's movement. A worn surround can lead to muddy bass and distortion. These flexible rings, often made of foam or rubber, are carefully removed and replaced, ensuring a perfect seal and allowing the cone to move with optimal compliance. The spider, a corrugated ring supporting the voice coil and cone assembly, can also weaken and may need replacement to restore proper damping and prevent unwanted resonance. Beyond driver components, issues can arise with the speaker cabinet. Dents, scratches, or structural damage to the enclosure can affect sound quality by altering resonance and internal air volume. Repairs might involve wood filler, epoxy, or veneer replacement. The crossover network, the internal circuitry, directing frequencies to appropriate drivers can also fail. Diagnosing and repairing or replacing faulty capacitors, resistors, or inductors requires electronic expertise. Finally, after all repairs are complete, every speaker undergoes rigorous testing. We reassemble the unit, ensuring all components are securely fastened and sealed. Then, we connect it to a test amplifier and play a variety of audio signals, from sine sweeps to complex music tracks, listening for clarity, frequency response, distortion.